Do you ever feel like money just disappears, no matter how much you earn? Bills, subscriptions, little habits, they quietly drain your wallet. But what if I told you you could start saving right now without cutting out everything you love? Today, I'll show you 5 proven ways to save money fast. Simple, practical, and life-changing. Stay with me, because number 5 is the one most people never tries, and it works immediately. Here's the secret most people miss. Saving works best before you spend. Instead of hopping, there's something left over at the end of the month. Set aside a small amount first. Automatic, no thinking required. Even $10 or $50 counts. The goal isn't the number, it's the habit. Once your money is saved first, everything else becomes easier. You feel control, you feel freedom. And the stress of not having enough slowly disappears. Take a hard look at your bank statement. Streaming platforms you barely use. Apps that quietly renew. Free trials that turned into monthly payments. Ask yourself, did this improve my life last month? If the answer is no, cancel it. This is free money, no sacrifice required. You'll be surprised how much you can reclaim just by paying attention. Impulse spending happens to everyone. That shiny gadget or tempting sale, it feels urgent. Here's a trick, wait 24 hours. Most of the time, the urge disappears. If it doesn't, you truly want it, and that's okay. This isn't discipline, it's smart choice making. Your money stays under your control, not ads, not emotions, you. If you want real, fast results, focus on the big 3. Housing, transportation, and food. Cook more meals at home. Negotiate bills. Refinance when possible. Small adjustments here save far more than cutting coffee or snacks ever will. This is where real impact happens. Do it thoughtfully and watch your savings grow month after month. Pick one category to pause for 30 days. Dining out, online shopping, entertainment, your choice. You'll save money immediately. And you'll reset habits you didn't even realize were draining your finances. Most people discover they didn't miss it at all. This step alone can give your budget a powerful jumpstart. Saving money isn't about living worse. It's about making intentional choices. A few small changes today can completely transform your financial future. If this helped you, hit like, it supports the channel. Subscribe for more practical, easy money strategies you can use right away. Comment below, which of these 5 steps will you start today? Your future self will thank you.